Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to properly use Loki in Marvel Rivals. Loki is a master of trickery, and understanding his core abilities is key to dominating the arena. His illusions are not just for show. They are powerful tools to misdirect opponents and set up devastating attacks. Learning to teleport effectively will keep you safe and allow for strategic plays. And when the moment is right, unleash his ultimate ability to completely disrupt the enemy team and secure victory for your allies. Loki's illusions are your primary tool for deception. Think of them as extensions of yourself, drawing enemy fire and creating chaos. You can send an illusion ahead to scout a corner, revealing enemy positions without risking your own health. They can also be used to block critical sightlines, giving your team an advantage. Remember, a well-placed illusion can make enemies waste valuable cooldowns, leaving them vulnerable to your real attacks. Practice using them creatively to outsmart your opponents. Your teleportation ability is crucial for both offense and defense. It allows you to rapidly reposition, whether it's to gain a height advantage over enemies or to escape a sticky situation. Imagine teleporting behind an enemy sniper, catching them completely off guard. You can also use it to quickly move between cover, making you a difficult target to hit. Mastering the timing of your teleports will significantly increase your survivability and your ability to make impactful plays throughout the match. Loki's ultimate ability is a game changer, capable of turning the tide of any team fight. When you activate it, aim to catch as many enemies as possible within its area of effect. This disruption creates massive openings for your teammates to follow up with their own abilities. Communicate with your allies to ensure they are ready to capitalize on the chaos you create. Whether you're pushing an objective or defending a crucial point, a well-timed ultimate can secure victory for your team. Practice its timing for maximum impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.